In this video, we'll customize our strawberry banner ready-to-make project with some text, as you can see above me. Let's start in Design Space. Start by searching for the project you want to customize. We're going to select this strawberry banner. Click Customize to open the project on the canvas. This project opens with the images grouped, so you can resize, duplicate, or delete all the pieces together depending on your project needs. I'm going to leave it at this size and add text. I want to add the phrase, "Hello Summer." Since this phrase requires a few more strawberries, I'll select an image group and duplicate. Next, I'll click the text icon and type my phrase. With the text box selected, I'll choose a font. I love this BFC Flora Cloud font since it coordinates well with the banner. We can resize the text so that each letter fits on a strawberry. We can also ungroup to letter so that each letter can be resized individually. There are lots of ways to customize. Add drawn or cut images, change colors, add other shapes, and more. Let your imagination flow. Don't forget to save. Keep in mind that when you click Save As with a ready-to-make project, the project details do not carry over from the original project. Share your project with others in the Cricut community. Take lots of pictures and include any notes to help others. In the next video, we'll go even further and show you how to create a project from scratch. You've got this.